little bit of fucking consolidation right there on the 1 hour, but that should be fine. Yeah, and there's a bullish fair value gap, 4-hour fair value gap right on top of the daily bull as well. So we're going to be chilling. Alright, draws liquidity-wise, we have London high that it's unswept here. PDH was already swept, right? Yeah, it was. That's what London high is. So London high is above there. That could make sense for a bullish continuation because it's the closest. It could just go right up and then continue going up. But what's probably going to happen here is 400 ticks. Yeah, that's probably going to happen. But as an alternative to what could happen today, we could sweep this Asia low right here, maybe wick the New York PM low, and then just skyrocket back up, right? Hey, what's up, me too? Yeah, you're good, Bo. But I mean, best case scenario here, what would make me very confident in this being a bullish trade, is if it did sweep these straws of liquidities, these lows right here, probably look like it'll probably consolidate like it is right now, and look for it just to go up. Maybe try to catch a little displacement candle for a fair value gap. But yeah, definitely high time frame bias. Everything aligned. We're looking for bullish today. We're going for longs. Which, I mean, perfect. It makes complete and utter fucking sense. I mean, all of Tuesday was straight up, just straight bull run. Or all of April was just straight bull run. So it makes sense if we continued to follow suit on that. Guys, I've been slacking, by the way. This nicotine? What the fuck? Got me so wired. I'm thinking like a million miles per hour. How does ES look, by the way? Actually, I'm curious on how ES looks. Deal. So there's a daily bullish fair value gap as well on the daily time frame, excuse me. It's looking bullish on ES even. The only difference here is it's already above PDH, while in NASDAQ it's not. So realistically, that increases chances that it's going to just sweep this London high and continue going up. If that's the case, then I can just look for a bullish displacement, enter off of that, and then just go long. That should be an easy 1500 on the day. I'm only going to be using 2 contracts as well. The trading is waiting. 4X factory. Let's see here. Dude, and it's just yellow folder news. There's no news today practically. So that just solidifies the bull run. Zero red folder news today. That's actually perfect. And then tomorrow's unemployment rates. Okay. That longs are very high probability. How does it look for... Just a fucking mess. Got it. I am gonna draw out this 5-minute bullish fair value gap. It's not gonna matter until market opens, or until market opens at all. It just makes me want to double check almost. It's just a 5-minute bullish imbalance. And the way I like to describe or explain imbalances or fair value gaps, it's pretty much the same exact thing as if, like, let's say you were taking your girl on a date, for instance. Oop, New York Open. Yeah, see, New York Open always has some sort of manipulation. It just completely broke through that bullish fair value gap, but it was a 5-minute. What really matters is this down here, the high time frame. That gives way. That's where our probability lies, which is all trading is. But in terms of fair value gaps, it's like the market losing its wallet, right? I mean, if you lose your if you're taking a girl on a date and all of a sudden you check your wallet to pay for something and your wallet's missing, you're gonna want to go back for the wallet, right? It's pretty much the same exact thing for a fair value gap. Let me see if I can find a good one here. Yeah, it's a bullish displacement or a bearish displacement right here too. I just boxed it out. 1 candle, 2 candle, 3 candle, set up the bearish fair value gap. It wicked it right here again because, oh, market's going back up to pick up its wallet and then just came all the way back down. Went right back to his girlfriend. Simple as that. So that in itself is what gives us a lot more probability as well, and it helps us out quite a bit. But again, I don't know all this shit. Not actual financial advice. We gotta wait for to see what happens. Oh, guys, I worked out today too. My chest is fucking sore. It was a chest and chest and bicep day. That shit was us. Okay. Why is my thing not logged in for my live chat? That's a little alarming. Yeah, this candle doesn't matter. It's just manipulation. There it is. Yeah. Yes, it's me. What number is that? 5. Boom. Alright. Now I can see my live chat. There we go. Alright, so game plan for today, guys. Genuinely, ain't no way I'm getting ads. That's crazy. It's just a quick $1,500 day. I have a Lucid 50K account, so that's gonna be a 2K MML or MLL. So we're gonna hopefully risk a proportionate amount. The issue with that is my risk is based off structure. So if my risk is more than 2 grand, I might be cooked. But we'll see what happens. It's all up to whatever FOMC, what they want. Good news is we just broke some highs with that 930 candle. And it closed bullish, which is bussin'. Give me money, shit ain't funny, yeah. or something. ICT concepts stay on top. Honestly, in terms of ICT concepts, I feel like they generally do work. It's just overcomplicated and oversaturated with how many gurus and trading gurus there are that use it. As long as you're disciplined enough to where you wait for your setup instead of trying to force it, and actually take the time and learn, like, oh, okay, wait, this is what I'm supposed to do if this happens, and oh, it's not a trending day, it's a range kind of day, and you got to be able to figure out, and this is a range kind of day for sure. So we're probably going to have TPs at probably London High once we get there, um, considering if I get a bullish displacement. If I don't get a bullish displacement or any sweeps on liquidity, then it's just going to be a no trade day. And a no trade day is better than a losing day. And I'd rather have that than anything else. Damn, 3 ads on Spotify is crazy. Also, guys, if you want to join a Discord community for traders, there I just made one. It's called Noble Edge Trading Group. Link is going to be in the bio of my YouTube channel. Just go ahead and click that, and I mean, I post pretty much regularly of daily biases, trade recaps, just market notes. There's also categories in there for just mindset and discipline because trading is 99% psychology based and 1% actually technical analysis. But I got a good feeling about today. We're about to cook. Ooh, I got a buzz going. Yeah, I'm good. Oh, I'm locked. I'm so locked in. Pretty fast, pretty face. Another thing I don't understand about how trading is perceived. I'm 100% self-taught, by the way, guys. I never bought any courses or any gurus. I had GPT and a fuck ton of trial and error for the past 8 months learning this shit. So when I'm gonna do my hot take of what I personally learned through trial and error. Talk like, oh shit, no, my cart. People who say you need to have no emotions in trading are among the most, I won't say embolistic, but the whole point of trading is discipline and controlling your emotions, not having them, right? I mean it's even a therapy word, right? Control, like, do you control your emotions or do your emotions control you? That's the entire essence of trading. It's the self-control and self-restraint on impulsing yourself, you know? Like, oh, like right now, see how it's going up? I could definitely, totally, for whatever reason, just be like, you know what? It's going up right now. I'm going to go in long. And I would have lost money. But the self-control is what makes you a profitable trader. You see something going on, you recognize the emotions that you're feeling, and you're like, probably shouldn't act on that. I'm profitable. It's doing scenario 1 right now. So far, the 935 candle. It's it's respecting a bullish fair value gap as well. I mean, it wicked completely under fucking neath it instead of New York AM low, but it needs that for structure. So I think it's going to continue going up. If not, this is going to be a pullback candle, and we'll see what happens. But it's probably scenario one where it sweeps London high. If I get a pullback in any shape or form from PDH, or bullish imbalance from PDH in between this range, then I'm going to take that. Yeah, well, there's 3 minutes left, but it already looks like it's going to do a pullback. W pattern recognition. We're also above EQ right now, which is kind of, that's a little scary for me. That means we're in a premium. If you're in a premium, if you don't know what that means, above equilibrium, that means premium. If you're below equilibrium, EQ, that means you're in discount. If you're in premium, you're going to be looking more so for shorts. Yeah. So realistically, we would be looking for shorts here hypothetically, but everything, even high time frame, is telling me but yeah, look at that bullish structure. There's a cool, and I just put in a 4-hour fair value gap on there. It's laying straight on top of the daily one as well, so that's just super high probability. If price comes back to this at all and sweeps Asia low, I'm just gonna look for a confirmation candle, a pullback on the 5-minute, enter, and then it's gonna be 1500 TP. It's gonna be like 150 ticks. I'm gonna do 2 contracts, and then we wait. Oh, I need to charge mine. Shit. Alright. Danger mode, boys. We're out of nicotine for a little bit. Yeah, it's a pretty straightforward kind of day. Dude, it's so fucking cold in here. Like, unbelievably so. Holy shit. Okay. 940 candle was complete bearish. We might actually just sweep New York AM low here. Yep. We just swept New York AM low, so it's probably going to keep going down. Yes, give me my high probability setup. Please, bro. Keep going down. You're green, bro. You're green as fucking grass. Or some shit. I don't know. If it keeps going down as well, we might get a bearish fair value gap on the 5-minute time frame. And what we could do potentially is see if bias switch, if it respects the bearish fair value gap with just New York AM low liquidity, then we might have to change biases. You got to make sure you never marry a bias, but you got to play it safe as well. It's like to your better judgment. All right, chat. I will be right back. Is the music or the ads done? No. All right. I'll be back when the ads are done then. So you guys have music while I'm getting water. Damn. I'm hoping for the minimum of slippage here as well on this entry. If I get a really bad entry from slippage, I will be pissed off. I'm not gonna lie.
Long bumpy road dealing with.
Damn. All right. Yep. How's that looking on the 1 minute? So there's already a 1 minute displacement, bearish, but it cleared the fair value gap. There's just a slight tiny one right there on the 1 minute time frame. That's all. But it's going to continue going down. The only alternative there is, which is why I need to wait for a confirmation candle, is if it sweeps Asia low, it could most definitely sweep New York PM low. And I could get caught in the middle of that. And that's the only thing that would fuck me up. But purely because there is a 4-hour imbalance right here, a 4-hour imbalance right there, on top of a daily imbalance, those are both high time frames. So I'm chilling. Big chilling. All right, chat. I will be right back, y'all. I'm gonna get some water. All right, chat. I am back. Oops. Wrong one. All right. Not the strongest bearish close, but it's still a bearish close nonetheless. Down on my luck, you give me? Trying to reach you. Also, let me know if you guys want to see more gaming content as well. I wouldn't be opposed to putting some gaming content as well as just trading content. I'm really into Marvel Rivals, and honestly, I do miss playing Black Widow and Marvel Rivals. It was so much fun. Spider-Man, they gutted the character. He's trash now. He's actually garbanzo. At least to me, he is. But I am peak Diamond 3 or Diamond, so you know what? Take it however you want to take it. All right, 15-minute. Anything different? Consolidation on the 15-minute, but still looking bullish on the higher time frames. Alright, give me something good. It's probably going to keep going down here, right? Well, it did respect the 1 minute bearish for value gap. So that pretty much doesn't fucking matter anymore. It's consolidating on the 15-minute. That's why it's being like this. So we're just chilling. What are we thinking here? It's consolidating on the 1 minute, so it's trying to figure out where the fuck it wants to go. It's gonna go up. I think it's gonna go up at least. I think this was just a 2-link dip. I could be wrong though, so we'll see. Could create a bullish fair value gap as well. And then I could just target the nearest draw liquidity, which, let's say I entered right here. That'd be 900 ticks. That would be an ideal entry point if I was going to target London high. London low is already swept. Obviously, because London low is a stronger magnet draw of liquidity for NASDAQ anyways. But that Asia low is so well placed. It's so well placed. I'm really hoping Asia low gets swept. Look, a huge bullish. Me likey, especially because I'm looking for longs. Oh yeah, give me a strong bullish close. You sweep that London high. So if it sweeps London high, we're probably going to look for a continuation up, or if it gives me some bullshit, then we're going to swap bias to look for shorts and swap from continuation to a reversal version of the model. Beautiful, beautiful. We're out of manipulation finally. It only took 25 minutes. So far, this is beautiful. It was a bullish displacement. That makes us a... If I get a pullback here, I'm entering. Because at that point, we'll be at all-time highs if we sweep London High. And if we sweep London High and get for all-time highs, that would be pretty fucking gnarly. So I'd be an idiot to go short in an all-time high scenario. So, realistically, all I'm looking for now is just left PDH again. So it's not... It already did it a couple times. Yeah, a couple times. Right there at 3 a.m. and 4 a.m. So it's not going to be as strong with PDH, but it gives me an insight to see if it's rejecting or not. Which it doesn't seem like it will be fully rejecting it. Okay, it looks like it's rejecting it. That's good. If it gives me my pullback earlier, I'm happy. I'm a happy man. Because then that just gives it a really, really easy... Okay, yeah, price is going to London High. Perfect, beautiful, easy. But again, I don't get to decide that. That's up to Sir Powell himself. The main man. Yeah, that's a lot better. Okay. Beautiful, beautiful. Oh, fuck. I thought that was the... Okay. Hold on. Pause. We might have an entry here. I'm going to be real. Feeling anxiety right now from this trade. So I'm going to have to lock in on that. To make sure my execution is actually proper instead of fucking botching the execution. I hope it closes bearish here. We have 30 seconds left. I hope it holds bearish so I have that pullback so I can enter long. Because if this closes right there, that's perfect. It gives me the perfect amount straight to London High. And it's close too. Beautiful. Yep. Ghost Alright, cool. And I'm I'm probably going to move my stop loss to break even once it closes beyond New York AM high here. If it takes New York AM high, that's going to be solidified confirmation. That's just going to fucking skyrocket. I'm gonna draw that fair value gap again. Alright, I'm risking 130 ticks for 150 ticks. I don't like that, but we'll see what happens. Trust the strategy. It's been consolidating a lot, so it's probably just chilling. I'm gonna be real, an emotion of me right now is wanting to take profit. Or at least guarantee some. But that's what unprofitable traders do. So I'm just gonna wait. I already have everything set up. I just have to watch it. I'm already doing the hard part. Come on, get past that PDH. Amazing sympathy. Wicked above it. Yep. Sellers are holding hard. There you go. Okay. Up 700. New York AM high. Swept. Beautiful. Beautiful. We're up 850. Realistically. What's my profit if I... That's a 1200 profit if I take it there, so... Okay, we're up 1200, beautiful. Okay, we swept New York or London high. I'm going break even. We're still up 850. Something. Still looking bullish on the higher time frames. 1 hour, 15 minute looks good still. Oh yeah, come on. Don't you fucking tease me. Oh, no, get out. Alright, I kind of overshot that just a little fucking bit. I am out of my I'm out of my positions, right? Yeah, alright, cool. Account balance 51.46. Fucking mint. Winning day, baby. And I guarantee you it's gonna go up higher too, but considering how the eval accounts have to abide by the consistency rule, which is so fucking gay, by the way, should be good. I did shoot over a little bit the 51.546, so I hope they're lenient with that a little bit, but $1,500 day. And could have been way more. I normally would have wanted to target at least 2,500 here. So I'm just going to keep seeing if it gets through. TP hit though, boys. Let's fucking get it. Bang.